Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. I hope you're doing great. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best benefits garlic has for acne-prone skin. So if you want to know what is the reason for you to probably start consuming garlic and use it in your skincare, stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you're always up to date with all the videos I'm uploading for healthy tips, for great beauty DIY recipes, and actually healthy skincare. So today we're talking about garlic. Well, garlic is actually the ingredient that is extremely easy to get, and it doesn't really cost you tons of money, right? So it's a wise idea to start using it in your skincare and in your diet. Well, the what if portion, I will start this video right away, is I have seen many videos suggesting you cut the garlic clove and then you put it directly on your face or rub it on your face to treat the acne. I am against this method because I believe that the things that are irritating, that might be seriously irritating, and you cannot really do a patch test easily on your hand because sometimes your skin, acne-prone skin, or the active acne and the skin around it is extremely sensitive and is extremely inflamed. So we obviously do not want to sort of say inflame it even more because this will never give us the results we're looking for. Imagine you have really severe acne, right? So how are you supposed to just cover your face with garlic? And I think that's not an option here. So if you're going to use garlic for your skincare products, do make sure you mix it either with honey or aloe vera, and I will definitely share a few recipes with you if you want me to, because there were people who even reported the burned skin after using raw garlic on the face. So once we've cleared that out, I will talk to you about the great benefits. Well, why garlic is so good for acne-prone skin? It's good because it contains a very powerful compound called allicin. It has antifungal, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties. All this in turn helps to kill acne-causing bacteria when garlic is applied topically or internally. That's why I'm saying it is also important to include it into your diet. So if you're not a fan of just, chewing on garlic, I understand. There are many supplements that will provide you great results without, garlic smell, right? When you're preparing DIY masks with garlic, it's great for drying up the acne. It contains sulfur compounds, which are acting as a drying agent. So let's say just simply mix it with raw honey and you're good to go. If you're suffering from those huge red acne, because garlic has anti-inflammatory properties, it might be of a huge help because it would reduce the inflammation in it and will also reduce the redness. Besides, if you're suffering from acne, you're probably suffering from acne scars. Well, I do. And normally what you would need to do, just get a garlic clove, cut it in half, so use just half of garlic clove and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. You apply it directly on the face, on the spot you want to treat. Of course, don't go crazy with the time. I would suggest you rinse it off after 5 minutes. Now let's see, if you include garlic into your diet, it's also great. Not even for acne, it's great for your immune system. And as we know, immune system is an incredible thing, right? And will also help you to fight off the germs that might cause acne. And you will have less colds in the wintertime. Well, the next benefit is that, if you probably don't know, garlic is a very powerful antioxidant also. And that's great because it will help to fight the free radicals in your skin. Free radicals, they slow down skin repair and of course the healing of acne. By including garlic in your diet and skincare, you would increase the healing properties of your skin, and that would promote clearer and brighter skin. So again, I would emphasize it here that, in my opinion, one of the best ways to use garlic for treating acne is to consume it internally because of its wonderful properties. Through internal consumption, it will fight the acne-causing bacteria from the inside out. And again, if you're using it externally, be very careful. Garlic is very, very potent. And as I've suggested earlier, just get half of garlic clove, mix it with honey, and rinse it off after 5 minutes. I really hope you guys liked this video. It was very informative. Now you know everything about garlic and its wonderful ability to treat acne from inside out and also apply it externally. You have the best tip of using garlic externally, and I must come up with some great, recipes for skincare, acne-prone skincare using garlic. Thank you guys for your support and attention. I appreciate it so much. I'm really wishing you to be very happy, very healthy. Do not forget to love yourself, to do something for yourself on a daily basis. That's very important, and there is nothing bad in it. I will hope this video will be useful, and if you like it, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.